jump straight into it. Today I'm unboxing a whole case of the Mr. Paw Little Paw Party Show. So I've been unboxing different Mr. Paw series on my shorts lately, so if you've missed that, definitely check it out. But today we're doing a full case. This collection is really cute. So there's 6 different designs and 1 secret. So I really love Little Puppy Paw because it has like a little ice cream sundae on its head. And then the little bunny paw is also really cute because I love bunnies. So we're gonna jump straight into this case and see what we get. These were gifted to me, but obviously all thoughts are my own. So, number 1, I'm gonna try not to look at this because I keep doing that. Oh, whatever, I just made direct eye contact with it. Okay, so the first one we have is this beautiful purple one. It has a little hat. This is the little koala paw, kind of like a bunny for a second. Super soft, super cute, and these do have the little ring that you can put on it so that it can be a bag charm or you can put it on anything basically. I'm so excited. Okay, it's giving sleepy time. I know it's a party theme, but it looks kind of like cozy and sleepy and like pajamas, but I like it. Number 2, let's see. I'm hoping for Little Puppy Paw. It's just so cute. So we'll see. Try not to look at it. Alright, what is this? I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at the ears. It has like little lights in there. Okay, so this one is the little mouse paw. Okay, I like it. I like this pale yellow. It's coming across a little bit white on camera, but it's like a pale yellow. For a second, I thought this was the little kitten paw, but it's not. It's the mouse one. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's also cute that the rings are not all the same color. It kind of corresponds. So this one's a pale yellow, which will match nicely to the little fur. So that's nice. I didn't notice that. The cards are also cute. Number 3. So we're still looking for Little Puppy Paw. The little piglet is also really cute. Let's see what it is. Ooh, is this the bunny? Oh, it is so cute. Yeah, this is Little Bunny Paw. Look at the detailing. I really like these hats, but like I said, it's just giving sleepy time vibes. It is so cute. Let me take a look just to make sure. Yes, it is. Okay, and let's see. And the key ring's white, which is cute. Perfect. So we have so far Little Mouse Paw, Little Bunny Paw. I'm forgetting what else we have. I think we did the little koala paw as well. So we have 3 more to go. It's either going to be the 3 listed or it'll be the secret. I don't think I'm going to get that lucky, but we'll see. And if it is a secret, I still hope to get the Little Puppy Paw. You know, because that's my favorite one. Okay, here we go. Is this him? He is so cute. I think it is. Let me make sure before I get too excited. Are you Little Puppy Paw? Yes! Okay, he looks super cute. He has curlier fur than he does in the picture. Interesting, but I love the hat. It's so cute. It's reminding me of one of the Build-A-Bears I did recently. Look at that big red bow. Look at the cherry on top. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, awesome. And the key ring is a similar color to his skin tone, little tan. Okay, yay. Okay, so we got the one I wanted. It's the one in the box. It has curly fur. Oh yeah. Okay, just want to make sure I'm on the same page here. But it is very cute. I'm excited. Okay, so now that I got the one that I really wanted, let's see what else is here. Okay, so hopefully I get Little Piglet Paw. So those are the 2 we need: Little Piglet Paw and Little Kitten Paw, and then there's the hidden one, which I don't know what it looks like, but if I could find it online, I'll show you here. See if anyone else gets lucky enough to pull that one. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I think we got Piglet. Piggy, my bad, I keep saying Piglet. Oh my gosh. Ah! We got Little Piglet Paw. How cute. Oh my goodness. I like the little hat. It's like a little chef hat, but they're at a party. Very cute. Little curly tailed as well. Awesome. Alright, we're down to the last one. So if this is going by all of the options, then it'll be, what are we missing? The koala bear, I think. Little koala paw. But I see a purple one there. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just find out. Because now that I have everything scattered, I'm like, which did I already get? I don't know. Let me put the card there. Okay. Oh, the kitten one. Yes. Okay, okay. So we're on the same page. Interesting. This is so cute. Actually, this one might be my favorite. Yeah, we have Little Kitten Paw. Interesting. I like the little hat. I think it's supposed to be a beret, but it kind of looks like a little apple, which is kind of cute. Huh, okay, I'm happy. The keyring is white. These are so cute. If I had to pick favorites, I would say this one. Piglet's cute. The puppy, of course, is super cute. I just wasn't expecting the texture to be like that, but it's also adorable. But I would say these two are my favorites for sure. Maybe I can grab all 6 for a thumbnail. That's it for this video. So Iconic Drops also has, like I said, the series that I've been unboxing, which was like the work diary one with the panda, which is really cute, and then the cutie critters one is also really fun. But on the box here, it also shows tasty guide, there's school routine series, so there's a lot of cute little options, and these are going to be available at Target starting on Sunday the 19th. So Target, as well as, what was the other one? Target online and Target in stores. I think they've been doing a lot of blind boxes lately, which is fun. I like these make really good gifts, you know, because you don't know what that person's gonna get. 9 times out of 10, when I gift a friend a blind box, they end up getting like one of the secrets, one of the hiddens, one of the chasers. So it's also a lot of fun to just see the excitement of someone opening something that they don't know what it's gonna be when you don't know what it's gonna be exactly. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really, really appreciate it. Let me know which one's your favorite. And until next time, stay safe out there. Bye.